Hello, this is Dayana.
And I'm Eddy.
And I'm Nicole. And welcome to
the Florida Real Estate Minute.
Change your life, change your mind. I'm ready for change your life, change your mind. I'm ready for change your life, change your mind. I'm ready for.
Hey Dayana, look, I just got an email from Sarah from Palm Beach County. She says she loves our videos and she wants us to make a video explaining the home buying process and what it looks like.
Well, Sarah, that's a great question. So today we're gonna go over the steps to becoming a homeowner. So the first step is to find yourself a realtor.
And once you have spoken to one of us, we will recommend one of our preferred lenders to get you pre-approved.
So once you talk to your preferred lender, we'll send you out the online application and the initial documents needed to get pre-approved. Once the pre-approval is complete, I'll send you back to your home search with your realtor.
That's right. Once you're pre-approved, we will discuss what kind of properties you're looking for based on that qualification.
And once you find a home that you love, we will submit an offer with the listing agent. We will send them your pre-approval letter and we'll start negotiating for you.
During this time, we'll be negotiating purchase price, inspection period, what amount of deposit we have to put down, as well as the closing date.
And once you have agreed upon all terms, we have an executed contract.
Congratulations on your contract. Now that we have that in place, we can go ahead and start the home purchase process. While we're getting your file ready, your realtor is going to go ahead and let you know what the next steps of the process is and also let you know what the deadlines on your contracts are.
While Eddy is working, I'll be assisting you with getting your inspection done, as well as getting your deposit into the title company so they can secure your home, and that appraisal has to be scheduled.
So at this point, we've gone through the loan process, we received your appraisal, and now we're going to get your whole package and send it over to the underwriter. Once she reviews the file, she will send us the loan commitment letter. Woo!
You're almost there. Once you have received your loan commitment letter, you will work with your lender to finalize the last steps to get you cleared to close.
And when closing day is here, we'll do the final walkthrough on the home, and you will transfer the remaining on the funds to the title company.
You will also meet with the notary, and once all documents have been finalized,
Congratulations! You're a homeowner!
If you need a realtor
Or a lender.
please reach out to us, and thank you for watching
The Florida Real Estate Minute!
Change your mind. I'm ready for
shimmy, shimmy.
Ready?
Shimmy, shimmy. Okay.
Shimmy your way right through this. 2, 1.
Let's get it live. Let's go.
Here we go.
Sound like this?
There you go.